Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another unboxing video of something that I'm very excited about. It's my first Chanel piece ever. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos about my designer collection, budging videos, and also plan with me. So let's get to it. Today's video is really exciting to me. It's something that I've been waiting to unbox. Well, actually I unboxed it on Friday night when I got it, but then I tied it back up and then I haven't looked at it since, and I've been itching to, so I'm really excited. If you can't already tell by the title of this video, I got, yes, a Chanel SLG, my first one. I'm so excited. The packaging and everything, it's so cute. It's my first ever and I'm in love with it. I also heard that Chanel is doing a price increase on their SLGs in Europe right now, because the last price increase, they didn't increase the price for SLGs, but now they have, so it's probably gonna hit America soon. And so I'm really excited that I got this on time and before the price increase. And then also I opened it on Friday when I came to pick it up because I wanted to see what it looked like in real life, and I also couldn't wait. But then we packaged it back up because I wanted to film an unboxing and I just thought it was so pretty. I don't want to ruin the packaging. I'm really excited to unbox this. I don't want to untie this, so I'm just gonna like move it to the side and then get the SLG out. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, I've never been in love with the packaging more. It's so pretty. I love it. I love how they add like this camellia flower. I mean, everybody knows it's Chanel when they see this flower, but it's my first one and I'm so excited. Where should I put this? I'm gonna put this on the other side of the bag for now. I'll probably put it back on the box. Let's open it now. So pretty, so cute, so luxe. Chanel. Yeah, that's the box. This is the ribbon. Here is the card or whatever it comes with. Oh, this is the textile card, I think. Smells like paper. So there's that, and then it comes in this very luxe feeling dust bag. This is my first Chanel item, so I'm very new at this. I just think it's so pretty. The dust bag is like a velvety texture. I love it. It feels so luxe. And then the inside is like linen. Are you ready to see what I got? I'm so excited. I got the Chanel coin purse. It's so cute. It's in gold. Oh my gosh, I love it. And caviar black. So this is what it looks like close up. So gorgeous. I love caviar. I think it's a beautiful material. Yeah, gold medal coin purse. So cute. In caviar. I love it so much. It's so cute. So let's compare it to my Victorine wallet. The size difference is kind of noticeable. I guess the Victorine wallet is a little bit wider and definitely taller. The Chanel boutique that my friends went to had it in silver and gold, but I thought that the gold will match with my LV items more, and also I just like black with gold. It looks so classy and chic. And then the inside is burgundy and the material is like this. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know what it's called, but it's so pretty. And then inside there's the Chanel authentication with the code or the numbers, and the card is so thick. I'm so excited. I love it. It's so cute. And then this is just the tag. I'll put this in the box. And then made in Spain right there. so that's cool. And I love it. I love that it's in caviar. I plan on getting a Chanel bag one day. It's like my ultimate dream bag ever. My dream bag is a mini rectangular black in caviar, but who knows, because that's like a unicorn now and really expensive. But hopefully one day I'll find something that matches with this. It's so cute. So, and then in the back there's this little slot right here, and it's just an empty card. Did you guys take this off? I don't think I want to take it off yet because I don't want to scratch it, and like it smells good too. Sorry, I'm getting so distracted by everything. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it. And again, thank you to Russell and Jansen for helping me get this. Let's compare it real quick. Let's see what I can fit in my usual wallet and if it fits in here. So let's see. I will definitely need my ID, my insurance card, school ID. I don't go to school anymore, but sometimes places have like discounts for students, so I always have it with me. Credit card, debit card, and another credit card. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. I'll just put it okay, just put that there. So it's a little hard to fit all of my cards in here. Like, you can tell it's a little stuffed, I would say. I mean, it's not that stuffed, but like it wouldn't go down all the way, so it kind of pops out like that. Cash. I do use cash now. Let's see how much I have. 10, 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have $25. And then, I mean, it's like this, so it kind of sticks out a little. But let's see if I can zip it. Zip it just fine, and it's like this. Not too bad. I think it's a little, like, you can tell it's a little stuffed on this side, but not really. So there's that, and then that's all I have in my Victorine wallet. I don't really want to stuff this wallet either. And then in here I have coins, but I think I will be just putting coins in my coin purse because I don't want to put it in here and ruin it. So this is what my wallet would look like when I use it. It's so cute. I love it. And then maybe on over here, since there's a slit, I think it's good because sometimes when I pay at the cash register, I take forever to put my money back inside my wallet. So like, let's just say I'm like rushing to put my money back, I can just squeeze it and put it in the side like that. And then when I have time, I can put it back. So something I noticed is that the money was sticking out a little bit. The cash, it can kind of like seep through here, which I don't like. So I have to find another way to put the cash, maybe if I fold it like this, but I don't really like to do that. Oops. I mean, now if I fold it like this, it's a little bit better and it's a little bit poofier, but at least it doesn't ruin this side. So I don't know, we'll see. I really love it and I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. I can't believe I got this for myself. This is definitely a quarantine buy. I've been spending too much time online just stocking bags, and so now I got it. Another thing I can do is my ID right here. I can just put it on this side for easier access because I do have to show my ID a lot of the times. So I can do that as well. I think I'll do that. Goodbye Victorine wallet for now, and hello coin purse. I really love it, and I keep saying I love it. It's because I'm so happy I got this. I don't know. I can't wait to get a matching bag with this. I love that it's small, and yeah, it probably fits in a lot of my bags because I do wear a lot of mini bags, and I'm just really excited to have this, and I can't wait to find something that matches with this one day. I'm really happy that I got it before the price increase for SLGs. I can't believe that Chanel is doing another one this year. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for coming along and watching my unboxing video of this little gem. I love it so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!